Hello and welcome to Service Folder. In today's video, we will discuss AI's power in field service management and explore the question, can robots replace human technicians? As technology advances and automation becomes more prevalent, many people wonder what this means for the future of field service. So, let's dive in and explore the benefits, limitations, and risks of AI in field service management. One of the biggest benefits of AI in field service management is that it can improve the speed and accuracy of service. With AI-powered tools and systems, technicians can diagnose and resolve problems more quickly and efficiently than ever before. This can lead to increased customer satisfaction, reduced downtime, and higher profitability for service organizations. Additionally, AI can help organizations optimize their resources and schedules, ensuring that the right technician is dispatched to the right job at the right time. The impact of AI on the field service industry has been significant. With the rise of IoT and connected devices, field service organizations are able to gather more data than ever before. This data can be used to improve service delivery, predict equipment failures, and optimize workflows. Additionally, AI-powered tools can help organizations identify trends and patterns in their data, enabling them to make data-driven decisions about how to improve their service offerings. While AI can bring many benefits to field service management, it's important to note that humans still play a critical role in delivering high-quality service. AI-powered tools and systems are meant to augment human capabilities, not replace them. For example, while an AI-powered system may be able to diagnose a problem with a piece of equipment, it still requires a human technician to actually perform the repair. By working together, humans and AI can deliver the best possible service to customers. Despite its many benefits, AI in field service management does come with some limitations and risks. One major concern is the potential for bias in AI-powered decision-making. Additionally, there are risks associated with data privacy and security when using connected devices and IoT. It's important for organizations to be aware of these risks and take steps to mitigate them. Keeping this in mind, what does AI hold for the future of field service management? The future of AI in field service management is bright. As technology advances, we can expect to see even more powerful AI-powered tools and systems. However, organizations must consider the importance of human expertise and collaboration when implementing these tools. That's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed learning about the power of AI in field service management and how it can benefit the industry. If you have any thoughts or questions, please leave them in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to Service Folder for more HVAC, field service and AI content.